Well, I went down to Napa, got me a voltage regulator, Victor Romeo 412. That's for all the 64 guys out here. And also picked up some headlights. Also have new ground off the battery to the main firewall. So I'm thinking all my grounds are fine. Got another ground over here. Now this Napa could not get, and waited a week to get the regulator. Well, that brings up a good topic, what you just saw. I've got some stripped out hardware on this retainer up here, the bezel. So I'll be having to fix that. And then I'm missing some hardware down here. And as I took this off, I realized someone has hand painted with what looks like to be Walmart Crayola paint black behind these bezels. It looks terrible. And it's all through here. Just never really paid attention to it, but now I have, and it's gotta go. That's bad. God, these things are tinted out. Woo! All right, we're gonna change this next one, see how it goes. I ain't recording that. Nobody wants to watch me do that. I know that. Well, I found this while I was getting cleaned up. That little grounding spot back there, you see. I just gave it a little touch and it was just wiggling and wobbling, and I don't have the bolt to, I want to run a bolt through there, lock it down, leave thread out, that way I can slide a terminal and tighten another bolt, just like a grounding bolt. But I don't have the nut I need, so I'm going to use a larger self-tapper. I cleaned up that ground, cleaned up this terminal. I don't know what this wire goes to. I'm guessing it's probably 12 volt ignition, or either the tachometer that somebody installed in here. But I'm gonna run this in, we'll get her grounded, and then I'll worry about it another day. I'm glad I found it. Working in gloves is a good thing and a bad thing. Helps your hands when it's cold, but then sometimes I'm struggling to grab what I need, but I'll still use them. There we go. And there we went. Push that pigtail back in there, clean it up. Pigtail, what a name. All right. We'll crank her up here in a second and see what she looks like. I got lights. They look quite nice. So as of right now, I believe my headlights are functioning correctly. What I mean by that is I've had them on for probably 15 minutes or more. And if we look right here, boom, how? My headlights are still on. I know how. Voltage regulator, baby. I'm excited. Yeah, I like this. The camera like floats like a boat. It's awesome.